morning everyone, happy Sunday and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that you're all well, and it feels like absolutely ages since I've done a voiceover on one of my cleaning videos, so I'm going to try and not ramble too much. But today's video is just a nice motivational quick speed clean to get you all in the mood for cleaning, and I'm using some of my favourite cleaning products. In today's clean, you'll see me using Pledge, which is absolutely brilliant for keeping the dust under control. But I've got a new gadget also for keeping the dust under control, which is downstairs, and I'll speak a little bit more about that when I come to it. But I'm basically just going right round the room using Pledge furniture polish, which is absolutely brilliant. Honestly, this really does keep the dust at bay. I live in an old house, so you know, as much as I love to use antibacterial sprays and stuff like that and things that are going to clean, I feel like you get the perfect finish with a good furniture polish. It does minimise the dust an awful lot. Using that same microfiber cleaning cloth that I've been using to polish, I use that then to do the shutters also. I don't spray any extra furniture polish on the cloth, I just leave it with the furniture polish that's already on there, and that works great also for cleaning the shutters. Now these shutters are so easy to clean, it literally takes me 2 minutes to wipe over them with a duster.
You broke my heart a million times, can't count the times I made you cry. Oh, we're such a mess now, and we're burning out. I get so sad at the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. I can't bear the thought of losing you. The day goes by, even the worst ones hate, they make me smile. I stop the world if it would give us time.
And that's the bedroom nice and tidy. I'm going to give the bed a quick spray with my Dettol all-in-one spray, which is just great for using in between washing your laundry. I just give it a quick spray. I don't tend to use the Dettol all-in-one downstairs anymore, I keep that upstairs, and it's a nice little spray to keep the bedding smelling all nice. So I'm just giving it a quick hoover around with my Dyson V8 animal vacuum, which is absolutely brilliant. Just love how light this vacuum is and easy to move around. It does take a few hours to charge, and I tend to use it upstairs on the lower setting and it lasts longer. But yeah, it's a great little vacuum, and it's nice and light, which is what we want when we're getting stuck into a good old deep clean.
I get so sad at the thought of losing you. I'm losing you.
And then I'm going to give the floors a little clean over with my Power Glide, which is made by Aircraft, as you all know. Upstairs I tend to use, I've got a little hack for you here, but I tend to use the comfort water that you use in your iron so that the steam smells nice when you're ironing. I use that in my floor mop upstairs just so it smells nice of linen rather than grapefruit and eucalyptus, which is what I love for downstairs. But yeah, I do show you a quick picture of what I use when we go downstairs, so when we get to that I'll let you know.
To work things out, to work things out, yeah.
And then that's my mum and dad. That's my flower arrangement. I was chief bridesmaid for my brother Denny's wedding last weekend. He married the absolutely gorgeous Laura, so I now have the most stunning, amazing sister-in-law and friend in the world. Yeah, they got married last Saturday, and me, Lee and Lee had the most amazing day. It was actually the nicest and most loveliest wedding that we've ever been to. We had an amazing day. It was so lovely to see my brother getting married and my friend getting married. It was just lovely, and to see them together, it was very emotional, but it was an absolutely gorgeous day. So yeah, I'm struggling to part with those flowers.
Speak with clarity, 'cause there's too much noise around us.
onto the bathroom. I'm going to give the bathroom a nice little clean. I'm going to use the Marks and Spencer's bathroom cleaner from their eco-friendly range, which is about 90p a bottle, and this stuff is so good. It works great, it kills germs, it smells lovely, and yeah, for 90p you can't really grumble. I use the Mr. Muscles streak free finish glass cleaner, which is my preferred glass cleaner. I use it all the time. Now when I'm cleaning the bathroom, you will see me using bleach. It's the only place in my house where I use bleach, and that is simply because I like to put it in the bottom of the toothbrush holder, and I like to clean the bath with it also because I have 3 dogs, as you're all aware, and yet they get baths too. So when the 3 pooches have been bathed, I do bleach the bath, and I use the Domestos spray to do that. I also use a yellow e-cloth. All the cloths in my bathroom are usually yellow. It's the only way that I can differentiate between them, and knowing that a yellow cloth, if it happens to end up out of the bathroom, I know that it belongs in there because it's yellow. So I use yellow e-cloths when I'm cleaning in the bathroom.
Whispering soft, alluring signs, wrapping you around my finger, gently touch, full of spell, blinding you into another, sneaking around, hunt and prey, to find me another lover. Behind closed doors, an empty space, we're in a secret love encounter. I'm a lonely heart, hard feline. I take what's mine, then I leave behind. I'm a lonely heart, hard feline.
I take what's mine, then I leave behind.
Pledge also works amazing on your stainless steel radiators. It really does make them shine. So don't forget to use that on your taps also. I'm going to give the rooms a quick spray with my favourite ritual spray, which is the White Lotus and Yayaran. And I give each room a nice spray when it's nice and clean, and that lasts so long. I do use my own interior sprays also, but I feel like it's biased if I keep talking about my home fragrance lines. I feel like I'm being biased about my own products, so I do use them, but I don't necessarily use them when I'm filming. So the Comfort that you've just seen me show is what I use in my Power Glide for cleaning the floors upstairs, and it just makes upstairs smell nice and fresh like laundry. So yeah, that's what I use, and that's a nice little tip for you. I wouldn't really recommend spraying around a fabric conditioner or anything like that because it's quite greasy, and also, you know, you don't want to leave that residue around. I know what it's like if I put a little bit too much fabric softener in the washing machine. It can make your clothes feel quite greasy, and I'd feel like spraying around fabric softener, I would feel the same way. I would feel like I was spraying grease around. So the iron water works just as good for making the place smell nice and fresh. And if you want things to smell really fresh of laundry, then if you haven't seen my video from last year, early last year, where I showed you hacks for using Lenore tumble dryer sheets, then you've been living under a rock, because you can put them in your pillow slips, in your cushions, on the radiators. You can put them anywhere, and they really do make the place smell lovely. Birthday cake is not birthday cake that's been left from my birthday, because if that was the case, it would be well and truly stale. Lee went all the way to Costco on 2 days ago and bought me a birthday cake because I just absolutely love birthday cake from Costco. But anyway, this is my new gadget. It's called an Unbeaten Air Purifier, and it basically purifies the air. So if you've got any allergies, or if you've got hay fever or anything like that, this gadget is amazing. It's great for minimizing dust, for getting rid of pet dander and any smells. I cooked a joint of lamb and I used the air purifier, and usually, don't get me wrong, I love the smell of lamb, especially when it's cooking, but it's not a smell that I like to linger in the kitchen. So I used the air purifier and it was absolutely great. This is brilliant, and the company have kindly given me a discount code. I don't get commission or anything like that. It's just a discount code for you to use, and I will leave it in the description box below for you, where you can get exactly the same air purifier, but it's brilliant. I'm definitely going to do a more detailed video on the air purifier and on other ways as well to keep your home smelling fresh, and little hacks and tips and tricks that I can share with you. So that will be my next sit down video. But tomorrow's video, I've got a little surprise video for you, which will be Monday, and that's going to be show home stalking again. I've been to so many show homes and stalked them all, and I just want to say thank you so much to all your lovely comments on my previous video from the show home. You were all so kind, saying that my home was so much nicer than the show home, and that's such a lovely comment because they're interior designers going in to decorate those show homes. So people saying that my home is nicer is a huge compliment to me, and I just want to say thank you. And I want to say thank you to everybody also for sticking around and watching my videos. I know things have been a little bit chaotic. I think that's probably too mild a word, or maybe too extreme of a word, but I just haven't been able to dedicate as much time to YouTube because I'm back in work, and loving life, and I'm still making videos. I'm just struggling to find the time really to edit them, but I've got videos scheduled right up to the end of May, so videos will be popping up. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share a couple of pictures with you all from our Denny and Laura's wedding last weekend. Haven't shared any pictures at all. There's been only family really who have shared pictures on social media and stuff like that, so I'm going to share a couple of pictures which are my favourite pictures from the wedding day, and I hope that you all love them.